Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm in the hills of Cabarete and I'm going to show you some beautiful land we have for sale, all with amazing ocean view. So why don't you come and have a look? So did you see this? All these beautiful big pieces of land are ready to build your dream home. It's about the time to build your 2.0 life. You have these amazing views and it's only a short drive away from the center of Cabarete and the center of Sosua. So you know what to do. You have to give us the like we always want. You have to subscribe on our channel and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.